Bye?
Huh?
Hey!
Two kids gone die tonight.
Connection terminated. I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Hey, what the fuck?
You can also get jiggy and shake your sack booty.
What the fuck?
My name is Craig Tucker. Last week was my birthday.
Huh?
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
What's up?
Get that motherfucker!
Industrial society and
What? And ruin all this frustration? For you!
Get that motherfucker! Hey, look, buddy. I'm an engineer.
Excuse me, what the actual fuck you do?
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
No, yes.
Hold still!
How dare you?
Hey, you wanna see something cool?
No!
I'm sure you know my sister Chloe, her husband Lamar, there's that piece of shit, and I mean...
Run, bitch!
Dr. Freeman, I presume. I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with me back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though.
Baba Booey.
Oh, and by the way,
Hi, I'm Saul Goodman. Did you know that you have rights? The Constitution says you can. Holy shit,
I'm gonna all up in those feet.
Think fast, Chucklebugs!
Shake your ass.
Take your hands up and shake that shit. Pull your shirt up.
No, you think you can, but you can't.
I never asked for
Oh
this.
no, there's no hide, no sneak. Shuck in.